అసెంబ్లీ సమావేశాలు జరుగుతున్నాయి. లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
ట్యాక్సెస్ ఏం పెంచలేదు అధ్యక్ష. ట్యాక్స్ పెంచే ప్రసక్తే లేదు అధ్యక్ష. ఇప్పుడు ప్రస్తుతం ట్యాక్స్ పెంచే అవకాశమే లేదు. రెగ్యులారిటీ, యూనిఫామిటీ, వారి పౌరులకు సంబంధించిన అంశం ఇచ్చిన అవసరాల గురించి వారికి కావాల్సిన తీసుకెళ్లడం జరుగుతుంది అధ్యక్ష. మీ ద్వారా గౌరవ సభ్యులకు వారు చెప్పిన ప్రతి ప్రశ్నకు జవాబు దొరికింది. వారందరూ కూడా సానుకూలంగా స్పందించి మరి బిల్లు పాస్ చేయాల్సిందిగా మీ ద్వారా కోరుతా ఉన్నది.
Now discussion on the Telangana Private Universities Establishment and Regulation Amendment Bill 2025. The Minister for the Health and Medical on behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister.
Speaker sir, this is regarding the amendment to Act 2018 of Establishment and Regulation Act 2018, Act number 11 of 2018. The expert committee have reported that sponsoring bodies of Amity University and St. Mary's Rehabilitation University have complied with the conditions of letter of intent and also recommended that the compliance report substantially meet the norms prescribed in Telangana Private Universities Establishment and Regulation Act 2018 and requested the government to take necessary steps to further process the proposal for establishment of said university in accordance with the Act and rules. The government have decided to include these universities, Amity University, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport at Mamdipalli, Shamshabad or Rangareddy district, Telangana, and St. Mary's Rehabilitation University at Deshmukh village, Pochampalli Mandal, Yadadri, Bhuvanagar district. Telangana in the schedule by amending the Telangana Private Universities Establishment Act 2018. Adhyaksha, ఈ ప్రధానమైన రెండు యూనివర్సిటీలు, one is the Amity Education Group, which was established in 1986. The first milestone was in 1995, Amity Business School, Noida. UP government, through the state legislature, has given the permission to establish a university in Noida of UP. This Amity University, it has institutions in about 12 countries in the entire world. Presence of state private universities in our country, there are 12 places and 13th is Hyderabad. The name Amity University, Hyderabad, Shamshabad. Offered courses engineering, technology, management, law, bar council approved, media and communication, applied sciences and design and others. Amity is prepared to collaborate with Telangana government through public-private partnership model. This initiative align with Telangana's focus on skill development, innovation, entrepreneurship, and completing the work of existing institutions like T-Hub and T-Society. Similarly, other university which has been brought in the amendment is St. Mary's Rehabilitation University. St. Mary's Rehabilitation University, a first of its kind initiative. St. Mary's Group, a Christian minority institution. India's first integrated umbrella rehabilitation university in Yadadri, Bhuvanagar. Dedicated institution for disability, rehabilitation sciences, and inclusive health education. It was earlier established in 1996 campuses in Hyderabad, Guntur, and Kolkata. Educated about 10,500 students, including 3,500 international students. St. Mary's Rehabilitation University will be among the very few dedicated rehabilitation universities in India. The aim of the university is a pioneering institution in this domain, offering integrated, multidisciplinary approach to rehabilitation education and services. Basically, there are 2-3 parameters. The disability prevalence in Telangana is approximately 12.2%. There is no dedicated university in Telangana or in South India offering comprehensive education and service across physical, intellectual, sensory and psychological disabilities. Strong alignment with Telangana's goal of inclusive development, rural health, equity and skilling. Disability and intellectual disorders in India. One. Secondly, the life expectancy in India has increased from 50 years to 70 years. Bringing age-linked impairments like stroke, Alzheimer's and cognitive decline into focus. Major contributing factors to disability include high-risk birth and genetic disorders, non-communicable diseases, accidents and trauma, and neglected mental health. In Telangana, the disability prevalence is almost 12%. It's urgent need to we need a dedicated rehabilitation university in the state. So I request, Speaker Sir, I request the House to pass this amendment, including 2 universities, Amity and St. Mary's Rehabilitation University in Telangana. Thank you, sir.